Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1969 Chevy Camaro RS SS. Now if you've got any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088 or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of it, and then we'll get it put up on a lift and out on the highway. As we look across the front, you can see it does have the hidden headlight package and that the bumper appears to be replaced and that it's dressed out with bumper guards and you have the front spoiler. It'll also give you your first chance to look down the side of it and you can see these body lines flow beautifully here from the front to the rear. Coming around the driver's side, you can see that this Cranberry Red is accented by the black SS stripe. You'll also notice all of your gaps here at the door, even in symmetrical. Now before we go around the outside, I want you to come on up. We'll take a look here at the interior. On the inside, it's done in the classic black with the deluxe interior package. It's a gorgeous complement to this exterior color scheme. And as you look across the dash, you can see we've got the in-dash tack that is working along with the console gauges. Now you can see you got the wood grain trim that flows down to the console. And you'll also notice that the original radio in this car is working. And as we come on around, you can see that these door panels appear to be in excellent condition along with the seat covers, carpet, and the seal plates. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue on around the outside, give you the opportunity to see how great that door shuts and fits. Now as we come across the back, you'll also notice that we got the bumper guards here, along with the SS emblems. As you make your way around, I'll go ahead and take a step back. That way you can get a good look at the stance on this car. You'll also notice that we've got the rocker stainless here, which is in excellent condition, along with all of the window stainless. Now this car is setting on a set of 15-inch SS wheels that's dressed with the Firestone wide oval tires. You can also see that the body has been buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine that's slick as a ribbon and that it's set up here with the SS hood. If you want to come on up, we'll take a look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. Under the hood, it's set up with a 350 engine, which is numbers matching. As you can see, this car has a gorgeous detail with the fin valve covers. You'll also notice that we've got the snowflake intake with the quadrajet carburetor. Now this car did come with the power steering and power brakes, but even more importantly, you'll notice that it comes with factory AC. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this 69, I'll get it pulled around there so that way you can take a close look at the bottom. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088 or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to get this Camaro pulled around there and put up on a lift and then we'll get it out on the highway for you as well. Now that we have this Camaro up on a lift, we can take a closer look at the frame, floors, and the driveline. Everything underneath it appears to be rock solid and in excellent condition. The floor pans all look to be original along with the frame. Now under the front, all the ball joints and bushings are in good condition, and you can see that the matching numbers 350 engine is mated to the matching numbers 350 turbo trans and the correct 12-bolt rear end with around a 355 gear. For exhaust, it has manifolds with dual pipes and Flowmaster mufflers. This car has drum brakes on the rear and disc on the front, and you can also see that the gas tank has been replaced. Now before we get it down on the highway, I want to take another close look at how solid all of the frame and floors are.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.